In the South, when it comes to what they call fluff, everyone seems to have a different opinion about what goes in it. And for those of us who are not from that neck of the woods, we often wonder what the fascination is. That is until we try it. For some, fluff is a combo of gelatin mixed with fruit, cottage cheese, and whipped topping, while others make it more like an ambrosia, which is how we're making it today. For that, all we do is combine a package of instant coconut cream pudding mix with a can of fruit cocktail, with the juice and all, a can of crushed pineapple that we've drained, and a splash of vanilla. Once that's mixed, we fold in some whipped topping, a good amount of mini marshmallows, shredded coconut, and a few chopped almonds. And that's all there is to it. And whether you bring it to a potluck dinner or serve it poolside for a light and refreshing treat, you can't go wrong. Dish it up and let the party begin. So rather than worrying about what to make for your next gathering, all you have to do is go online now and you'll have the recipe for what we call Poolside Party Fluff. I know you'll be glad you did. And since it's nice and light, we won't have to wait long before we head back in the pool. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where every day we're looking for a splash-tacular way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.